You can earn $100 repeatedly using AI at no cost, and the best part is it is accessible everywhere in the world. So give this video a thumbs up and let's kick things off by heading over to trends.google.com. Google Trends is a free tool from Google that lets you discover various trending topics around the world. Today I wanted to click on Explore, which will lead you to the page where you can type in any topic in the search box and then you can check if that topic is currently trending or popular. Now let's go ahead and type AI in the box and hit enter. Just make sure to select the worldwide option. You'll notice that the interest in AI has reached an all-time high as it gains popularity. If you're not leveraging AI to make money online, you might miss too. Today we'll discuss how you can use AI along with Google tools to earn over $100 daily consistently. The awesome part? The method I'm sharing is completely free and available to anyone, anywhere. Okay, step number 2 is head over to YouTube, another handy tool from Google. Just type AI into the search bar and hit enter, and you'll discover a bunch of AI channels along with their videos and shorts. Check out this short I found on YouTube. Let's give it a listen.
Build your own local deepfake studio with free Face Fusion 3 AI.
AI videos are really taking off on YouTube and racking up millions of views. I want to show you another video from this channel called Angel Max. They create their videos using AI avatars with just a single click. Let's watch it and see how it works.
Hey guys, my name is Sophia, and let me tell you, advertising is the hardest part about dropshipping. I've been running my Shopify store for the last 4 years, and guess what?
They have even made some short movie clips featuring AI. The character you just saw was an AI-generated talking avatar, and you can create your own by following the steps in this video, so stick around till the end. You'll notice they use this AI-generated talking avatar in nearly all of their videos, and they are getting solid number of views. For instance, one video is hitting over 10,000 views and another one over 20,000 views, and one got more than 60,000 views and another one skyrocketed and got around like 800,000 views, all in just few months. If you check out their oldest videos, you'll see that only started less than a year ago and they have already found a success on their channel. They have uploaded just around 90 videos so far, but they have already racked up over 15,000 subscribers and more than 900,000 total views on their channel. That is pretty impressive. Their main gig is using different AI softwares to create videos featuring talking AI avatars, which then they share YouTube. This strategy helps them earn money through YouTube AdSense, affiliate links they include in their video descriptions. Speaking of channels, let me introduce you to another one called How to in 5 Minutes. Just by looking at their thumbnails, you can tell another AI-focused channel. They also discuss AI tools using AI-generated talking avatars. Check out one of their videos. The girl on the left is actually an AI avatar. Creating these talking AI avatars is totally doable. That is not a complex one. The video is eye-catching because having any kind of person, real or AI on screen, boosts the credibility. It even helps the YouTube algorithm to see the video more favorably, increasing its chances of being recommended. Plus, using AI avatars can help ease the pressure of dealing with negative comments. So today I'll show you how to create these talking AI avatar videos in just 5 clicks. Channels like this are known as faceless YouTube channels since they don't reveal their real faces, instead of they are using AI avatars. These faceless channels makes between $6 to $12 for every 1,000 views they rack up. If you check out the Social Blade stat for Angel Max YouTube channel, you will see they pulled more than 100,000 views last month. So keep watching. Now let's move on to the step number 3 for creating talking AI avatar videos. Finally, I know, right? You can use Wondershare Verbo for this. I'll drop a link to the Verbo in the video description and the pinned comment. Just click that link to head over to the page and sign up for Verbo. It's an AI tool from Wondershare company that lets you create videos from text, photos, and even website URLs, among a lot of other things. It's super advanced tool that helps you generate AI scripts, avatars, and voiceovers all in one place to make your talking AI avatar video. So just hit the link in the description or the pinned comment and sign up for Verbo for free. Verbo works both online and offline. You can choose any option you like. I personally prefer the offline version. I recommend you hover over the product option and download the Verbo to your device, whether it's a desktop or mobile. First, hit the install button to get the Verbo software on your computer. After it installed, open it up and click on Login to enter your credential. Once you are logged in, you will see the dashboard. Here you can browse through all the AI avatars available for your video creation. You also have options like AI script, talking photo, website URL to video translation, and bunch of other cool AI features. For now, let's go ahead and select the Create Video option. Choose the aspect ratio for your video and click Create Video again. This will take you to a page where you can see a demo AI avatar. If you want to switch the AI for your video, just click on Avatars and pick from over 300 realistic options. For a more lifelike appearance, you can select AI avatars with a fixed background. Personally, let's say I really like this one. If you recall, this is the same AI avatar that the Angel Max channel used in their videos. So let's select it by clicking the OK button. After choosing your AI avatar, we'll need a voiceover for the video, and you have two options for that. If you got an AI file for your video, just hit the audio upload option. You can upload your audio file, extract it from an existing video, or even record it online. Next up, there's the text-to-speech option where you can either copy and paste your script or type it manually to create audio using Verbo. The awesome part is that Verbo has an AI script generator powered by ChatGPT 4. Just enter your video topic and it will ask you what kind of video you want to make. Choose the writing style, whether you want it short and professional or something more engaging, and then you can hit send, and then in just few seconds you will get a fantastic video script ready to go. For this video, I want you to create something similar for our AI channel. So let me type that script in the box. After that, you will need to pick a voiceover for your video. Just click here and you will find over 400 human-like AI voices to choose from, allowing you to add realistic narration and cool voiceovers. You can also tweak various filters like language and gender. Once you pick the voice for your video, go ahead and hit play to check out the preview. So let's listen to our video preview now.
Welcome to today's video where we delve into the exciting world of AI tools and how they can help you make money.
As you can tell, this voiceover sounds fantastic. You might notice that there are no lip syncing in this video, but no worries, the lip sync will be added when we export the final product. Just click the export option in the top right corner, choose your video resolution and hit the export now button. It will take a few minutes to finish the exporting. And there you go, the video has been successfully exported. Let's play it back.
Welcome to today's video where we delve into the exciting world of AI tools and how they can help you make money.
And you can create a video just like this by following the steps shown here. To download the video, simply click the download button and it will save to your device. If you are not a fan of fixed background, you can check out the AI video templates which offer over 400 ready-made options for all kinds of videos like promos, social media clips, product demos, tutorials, news videos, and more. The Verbo AI tool by Wondershare makes it easy to create professional content quickly and monetize it on your YouTube channel. Right now, Wondershare lets you generate AI videos up to 2 minutes long, which is perfect for testing this out. If you love it, which I'm sure you will, you can always upgrade it to the premium plan. Again, I'll drop the link to the Verbo by Wondershare in the video description and the pinned comment again. With Verbo, you can create AI videos and share them on your YouTube channel to start making money online. If you want to boost your earnings even more, you can check out websites like Digistore24 or ClickBank for affiliate offers you can promote. Every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you will score a nice affiliate commission. So if you want to learn more about these kind of cool ways to make money online, and if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribing. Let's meet with another video. Have a great week.